Hi, Taurus. Welcome to your reading for the month of December. If this is your first time, welcome. Thank you for being here. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, well, thank you so much. And if you've been here before, thank you. Thank you for being here again. So, yes, as I said, this is your reading for the month of December. Please excuse the noise outside. It's also raining and the dogs are barking. I'm really sorry, but I hope it doesn't disturb you from, listening to your message today. Okay, so again, this is a general reading for you for the month of December. This, please take it, take how it resonates. Okay, thank you. So what do we have for Taurus? What do we have for Taurus? Oh, wow! Capricorn got this. Well, Taurus, it seems like, yeah, luck is also on your side. If you know what you want and if you stay focused on what you want, you'll get it. You have, yeah, luck is on your side. You're going to achieve whatever it is that you have been working on and you have been manifesting. You've been trying to manifest something in your life and you are attracting good luck and you will receive um, all the things that you are wishing for. That's amazing. Okay, so now let's check the energies. I'll be reading the overall energy, past, present, and future. Then later we'll be getting advice for you. Okay, so we have here the Page of Pentacles reversed. You may have an idea on perhaps a career or something that you are still learning about. And you may be losing your focus on it because one, you may be distracted by something else. Two, there's something that you've been thinking of, also considering doing, or yeah, something may be distracting you at the moment. Could be worries, could be another option, could be another thing that you want to learn. But when you stay focused on what you truly want, again, you'll see progress. You will receive, um, um, how can I say it? Like, I mean, you will get to what you truly want, right? Okay, so yeah, so stay focused, stay grounded, and be open to any opportunities that will come your way. Okay, so now for the past, present, and future, we have Ace of Cups. You may have had a really beautiful offer in the past, or something started. You may have had a beautiful idea that started something beautiful in your life, or you may have received an offer, okay, that you thought was amazing because it was something that you are passionate about. You may have received love and support, and it made you feel so good. It made you feel confident. We have the Queen of Swords reversed, Five of Pentacles reversed, and Nine of Wands reversed. Oh, that's nice because you you saw your worth. You know, when you received this message, it could be a message, or again, you may have felt like you were so loved and you were taken care of, and it made you feel like, oh yeah, I'm worthy. I may You may have thought that you did not have anything in your life, that you didn't have any support, but it changed when this came, or when it was um, relayed to you, if a message was sent to you, or if somebody made you feel loved and taken that and yeah, loved. Somebody made you feel loved and taken care of, made you feel good about yourself. You also um, brought down your guard. You were not, you may have been so defensive, you may have been so overprotective about your energy, about yourself, about trusting people, but you learn to open up. You are more in touch with your emotions, with your heart, and not thinking of things too much. In the present, you have the Three of Cups. So, because of this thing that you learned in the past, or you realized in the past, you are much happier because you feel you're really protected and supported. You can feel the support of the people that you surround yourself with. Could be friends or family, could be, your angels. Again, you can feel that support. There is a reason to celebrate. You may be winning something, or you may be achieving something, a milestone. You'll be finishing a project, or yeah, something that is successful. Something is going to be successful, and you just feel really good about it, and it's a reason for celebration. Tell me more about the Three of Cups, please. Okay, we have Nine of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the Two of Swords. This was something that may have given you a lot of sleepless nights. You were quite worried about perhaps a project or a job, or something, anything that you did or you've done, and it may have made you feel worried, but you went ahead. You still felt confident about it. Or these people also made you feel confident, and because of them, you're feeling that or you have that faith in yourself. You believe that you can achieve it. You feel good about yourself. You know what you want, and you are determined to get it. There may be some decision making here, and this is perhaps what's also keeping you awake, keeping you in your mind, because there are things that you need to choose from, or there are things that you need to make a decision on. But you know exactly what you want. So it's not really difficult to make a choice. And I think it's also like whatever you choose, it's something that you know that you are capable of doing, that you are very confident about. You know, because you yourself have the ability, have the skills to do it, but at the same time you know that you are supported. So you're not really so bothered about it. You're not really worried. The worry here is like it's more like anticipation, excitement. You know that when you're going to do something exciting, but at the same time you feel nervous. That's how I feel about this. You're just having that kind of feeling. You feel nervous, but in a good way. Now, in the future, you have justice. Beautiful. So something is going to be brought back to balance. Everything will be balanced. You know, and you will also get um, the the result of what you've worked hard for. You know, when you put so much energy into something, you will also receive that same energy. So you worked hard for it, you put a lot of great energies into it, and then that's what you're getting back. You know, you've planted seeds and you're going to reap what you've sown, what you've planted. You have the Ten of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords reversed. That is so clear. As I said, you've put so much energy. You're going to reap the rewards, you know. You're going to reap what you've sown, right? And that's success. Ten of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. You'll feel so successful. You'll be receiving well, could be a raise. You'll feel so how can I say it, like you feel like you have so much. You'll receive a lot of money, or you'll feel secure. You know, if this is a love reading, well, if this resonates more on your love life, then it means you'll feel secure in your relationship, that there is an equal give and take, because justice is here too. Like the Six of Pentacles, there's balance, there's an equal give and take. What you give is what you also get, and there's nothing to worry about. Now, if this is for a career, this also means that as I mentioned earlier, more money for you, a raise, or another opportunity to earn money. You just feel so blessed, and you feel you have um, like you've earned so much money. Like what else can I say? You're secure, you're financially secure. I think that's the best word for that, best term for that. You're financially secure, and which is why you also feel like you can share what you have, because you have so much. You know, you just feel so successful and prosperous and financially secure, and there is nothing to worry about, or all your worries are gone. All your worries have been resolved. Wow, that is so beautiful. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, the Wheel of Life. See, because you're now on the top of your world, you know. You may have been at the bottom part in the past, but now you are on the top. So let it roll. You know that life is, you know, always like that. Sometimes you're at the top, sometimes you're at the bottom, and here you are at the top. Feeling your abundance, experiencing that. You are going to receive a lot of opportunities to earn more, to get more, and there's loyalty, there's security. Wow. Okay, so let's get some advice for for Taurus. For Taurus. Your advice for Taurus? What is your advice for Taurus? What's your advice for Taurus? Advice for Taurus. Thank you. You have the King of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. You are so secure. You are so, yeah, you're financially secure. You are confident. You know what you are doing, and you know that you have the support, which is why you feel very confident about this. You are confident that you can handle anything, any task, any job that's given to you. You can handle the success. You're gonna feel really successful and financially stable, and you will be celebrating. So just embody that energy of being stable, even though you still have not don't have it yet. If you still don't have it yet, then you just embody, feel that kind of happiness when you're financially stable, or and believing that you can handle anything, because you will. All right, you have the support, you have what you need, and things are going really well for you. Just believe in yourself. Okay, you can handle this. Manage your time as well. Manage your time, manage your schedule. If there, because there seems to be quite a lot of tasks to accomplish, and you'll have to manage your time really well. Let's see the bottom of the deck for this oracle card. Transformation. Self-transformation is the evolving process of life that brings higher consciousness. See, you're transforming, you're changing. There is, um, there are a lot of changes happening in your life. Again, you're moving towards your success. Okay, and allow that to happen, allow those changes to happen. Okay, 5 cards for Taurus for December, please. 5 cards for Taurus for December. Thank you. Okay, so we have here flowers, happiness. See, because you've been getting the 3 of Cups. Next, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Like stepping into a new experience. See the transformation earlier. Pale, time to get out of a situation. And firecracker, excitement. See, something really exciting is happening to you this December. You'll feel secure. I've been saying that earlier, whether it's in a relationship or if it's a financial issue, you'll feel secure, and this will definitely give you happiness and change your life. So that's what I have for you, Taurus. I hope this helps, and if it does, please hit the like button, share your stories in the comments, and hit the subscribe button. By the way, I'm giving personal reading, and please check out the description box below to know how. Thank you so much again, and see you again next time. Bye.